What's up, guys? The temperatures are rising and it's time to step it up and go make that money. So let's talk about it. What's up, guys? I'm going to keep this video extremely short, so I just wanted to do a run through on some stuff that we need to get on the trucks right now before the summer comes up, because the summer is coming and it's upon some of you guys already, but it's getting ready to come here throughout the Midwest. And these things that I'm going to share with you are going to keep you prepared and help you, maintain your energy the best you can throughout these next 5 months, because most companies make the majority of their money if they only provide HVAC, they're making the majority of their money in the next 5 months, and that's the money that sustains you through the slow times in the winter. So, in order to be able to hit this hard and sustain, a level that you're comfortable with of productivity, then we got to have ice in the freezer each and every day. We got to have that refrigerator packed full of water. We got to have coolers for every vehicle. Packed full of Gatorade. During the really hot months, we'll start stocking Gatorade. Gatorade, water, and ice. Essential. You got to have it. Each van has to have one. Of course, gloves, glasses, fans. One thing that we do during the summer that we extremely make sure that we have during the summer is a gas can here at the shop with a couple of gallons of gas in it, because inevitably it will happen. Maybe not this summer, hopefully not this summer, but the chances of it happening are going to be less because I'm going to be prepared for it. But we always have a couple of gallons of gas in case somebody runs out of gas. We're driving, an extra 200 miles a week or more because we're so busy and we're working later hours, and the risk or the chance of running out of gas is going to drastically increase. So keep some gas nearby so you can get that vehicle back on the road to go to the next customer and keep your customers happy. So another thing is tables. I didn't know about these till about 3-4 years ago, but you can buy these camping tables that fold in half, and that is going to save you guys a tremendous amount of energy just bending over to pick up your tools on an installation. Or if you've got a really long repair to make, you could set up your table and use that table to set all your tools on. It's just anything you could do to preserve energy as we go into these hot months is gonna serve you. So also a first aid kit. If you got first aid kits on all the vehicles, make sure that they're stocked and ready to go. That way, if we get a nick or a cut, we can just doctor it up right there, and hopefully it's not bad enough that we can't continue working. But that's what we're trying to prevent here is just safety, guys. It's all about safety. We got to stay safe. We got to stay healthy so we can make it through this summer. What Gil always says, go home the same way you left each and every day. So it's one of those things that these seem like minor things, but they can make a drastic difference in your business. So be sure to get this stuff stocked and get prepared, because it's coming. Go make money. Boom. So just a real quick story. There was one summer where I was working with my father-in-law. That's how I got started. Some of you guys know my story. And the air conditioner went down in the truck. And there is nothing if your air conditioner in your truck does not work, don't even attempt to go to work. I'm telling you, because when summer really gets here and it's 85 degrees by 9:30 in the morning, it feels like your body temperature heats up to this certain point and you just can't get cooled down if you can't get in a cool truck and cool off in between calls. So we went through almost a whole summer like that, and I about had a heat stroke. We were in a machine shop, and I remember, I don't remember a portion of it because I got dizzy as all heck, and I had to sit down and then start chugging water because I was just dehydrated. It's so easy to get dehydrated during the summer, and I've had a good friend of mine who is no longer with us. He passed away, but the first week of every hot summer, because he had a heat stroke in a previous summer, it took him out for 2 weeks almost every year. The first hot week, he would get sick, because if you've had a heat stroke, you'll know that if you heat up again, you get sick. You feel physically ill. You probably throw up. So protect yourself, guys. Take it seriously. If you get too hot, go jump in the truck and cool off. Don't worry about, nothing else matters but your health. Don't worry about the customer. Don't worry about the office. If you're that hot and you need to cool down and your body's telling you, I better get to somewhere cool, do it. And if you're riding in a truck that doesn't have air conditioning, get out of the truck. Like, it's dangerous. It's just too dangerous. So that was one of the worst summers that we ever had, just because we weren't able to cool down in between calls. So guys, protect yourselves. Talk to you later.